everyone, and welcome to the Baking Biker. Well, today I'm going to share with you a video that I took last summer of Rick and I heading west on Highway 2 from Leavenworth as we were heading home. And I have a pet peeve, and it's a passing zone pet peeve. And in this video, I really kind of have a little rant about my passing zone pet peeve, because we were following a car that was doing under the speed limit. The speed limit at that point was around 60 miles an hour, and the car was doing around 50, 55. So we caught up with it. We were going to pass it as soon as we had a passing zone or a place to pass. But as soon as we got to a passing zone, that car took off at 70, 75 miles an hour, and so we couldn't pass it unless we wanted to really do 80. And so here is the video of that situation and my rant about cars that and motorcycles that decide to go really fast on the straightaways and the passing zones, and then you don't have a chance to pass them. So here's my video. Okay, Rick's gonna pass this vehicle, so I better get moving up here because it looks like he wants to pass. So, but we have a. So anyway, we left about 8:30 this morning, and now it's 9 o'clock. So yeah, that Chumpstick Highway was really nice. It was a nice little alternative for the motorcycles. Though I will tell you, Highway 2, between where we just got onto it and all the way into Leavenworth, that's really nice going along the Wenatchee River. It's nice and twisty-turny there, great scenery, you get to see the river. That isn't much of the river, but you get to see more of it, and it's quite a scenic little ride that way also. So either way, but the Chumpstick Highway had less traffic, and I tell you that, and every time I tell you that, there goes a car past us. Happens every time. So, now I will tell you, cars, when you have motorcyclists behind you, do not speed up on the straightaway in these hills. I mean, that car was not doing 70 miles an hour, and now look at it. They're doing over 70 miles an hour. So somebody else thinks they want to race, and then the problem is, you guys don't go as fast around the corners as we do, but you want to pass us on the straightaway. So I'm not going to do 75 to pass you on the straightaway. And now he's turning off, and he had to go that fast so he could turn off at the rest stop. Alright, so cars, here's the deal. When we're on a road like this and there's nice twisty turnies, please go slow on the straightaway, let the motorcycles pass you, and then they can go as fast as they want. The motorcyclists can go as fast as they want around the corners, because you do not corner as quickly as the motorcycles unless you drive this like every day and you're speeding through it. Those are the only people who go fast around the corners, are the ones who drive it every day, and they want to speed through it because they want to get from point A to point B. They're not on vacation, they're not looking around, they're not even being looky-loos because they drive it every day. Those people are fine. They usually go around the corners no problem. But the rest of everybody else in the cars, please, do not go faster on the straightaways so that you think, well, I'll get some distance between me and the motorcycles. No. Stay slow. Let the motorcycles pass you on these straightaways. Let them just go along their merry little fast way around the corners. So, just, don't speed. Yeah, I know, I'm preaching to, Rick's telling me I'm preaching to the internet. I know, and I'm probably preaching to other motorcyclists, because that's who will be watching this, instead of the car drivers. But there'll be a few car drivers out there who will. Even if I know that I have a motorcyclist behind me that has caught up to me on the corner, on the twisty parts, the curvy parts, I slow down in the straightaway so they can pass me. There are cars that have passed me because they can go faster. They want to go faster. We had some Porsches the other day that passed us because they wanted to go faster. There was some other car along Banks Lake that wanted to go faster. And he did. He was speeding, so it's fine. I'll let you go by. If you can catch up with me on the corners, then I'm going to let you pass by me on the straightaway. That should be the rule. They catch up with you on the corners, let them pass you on the straightaway. Yep, that's the rule. That's the rule I'm sticking with. That's the rule I'm going to put out there. Rick's telling me after all that talking I just did, he said that's all you needed to say. I know. I had my ranting and raving moment just now. So I think I'm done with the GoPro at the moment. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for letting me rant about my pet peeve, my passing zone pet peeve. Because yeah, every time we're ready to pass a vehicle that's going too slow, and we get to that passing zone or passing lane, and they start speeding up and going over the speed limit, so we can't really pass them easily, I get a little upset over that. So thank you for watching. Now, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and also hit that little bell icon, and then you'll get notifications every time I upload a video. And I do plan on uploading a lot more videos here. I have some ready to go. So then you'll get a notification every time I upload a video. So please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell symbol. And thank you for watching.